In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your chat with someone on Microsoft Teams. This is a quick and simple process, but it's important to understand exactly what's happening when you delete a chat, so you don't lose anything you still need. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in with the account where the chat you want to delete is located. Once Teams is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Chat tab. This is where all of your recent conversations are listed. Take a moment to scroll through your chat list and find the person whose conversation you want to delete. You'll see their name and usually a short preview of your most recent message. Once you've found the right chat, move your mouse over their name. As you hover over it, a small set of icons or options will appear. Look for the three dots, often called the More Options menu, to the right of their name. This is a small, vertical or horizontal set of three dots that you can click to reveal additional actions you can take on that chat. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A small menu will pop up with several options related to that conversation. In this menu, look for the option labeled Delete. This is the command that will remove the chat from your chat list. Click on Delete. Depending on your version of Teams, you may see a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete the chat. This is there to help prevent you from removing a conversation by accident. If you're certain you've selected the correct person, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the chat will disappear from your chat list. This helps keep your Teams interface clean and organized, especially if you have a lot of old or inactive conversations. Keep in mind that deleting a chat on your side typically removes it from your view, but it doesn't necessarily erase the conversation history for the other person. They may still see the chat on their end. If you ever need to contact that person again, you can simply start a new chat by searching for their name in the search bar at the top of Teams and sending a fresh message. That will create a new conversation thread for you. And that's all there is to it. By using the three dots next to a name and selecting Delete, you can quickly remove chats you no longer need and keep your Microsoft Teams workspace tidy.